Welcome back to our channel. Here we are with these cute press-on nails from the Dollar Tree, and these are all the products that I'm going to use to apply them. We have a buffer, some rubbing alcohol, a nail file, nail clippers, and yes, that was super glue because nail glue doesn't really adhere to my nails. They pop off usually within a couple of seconds, so I am using nail glue. Although I do not recommend it for anyone else, just mine. And here I'm going in clipping the nails, and I also cleaned underneath of them before I started clipping them so that I can get them really short so that the press-on nails will adhere very well. I'm going to go in and clean my nails up with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure there is no debris from the filing or the buffing to make it smooth application for the nail process. And then the fun part is about to come next when we get to choose the sizes of the press-ons that fit correctly with the nails. I love the fact that these are already designed, so I really don't have to do anything to them, and it's going to be a short process to apply them, which is exciting because I can put these on right before I need to go out somewhere and I want to look cute or something like that. So here we go, and I'll go ahead and start sizing them up to make sure that they fit my fingers. Now you only get 12, and I will say that my nail bed is a little wider than these press-ons. Here, I'm going to start going in with the glue. And when I apply the glue, I just make sure I put enough glue on the nail that is going to cover my full natural nail. And then I put a little bit, just maybe a smidge on my natural nail, just so that they can, I don't know the word I don't want to say, just so that they can adhere together really well. Now I'm done gluing my left hand, and that's what they look like. They're so cute. Now they're all applied, I go in with a nail file and lightly I file the ends of the press-ons because there was like a little ridge there. So I just wanted to make sure I got that off so that I didn't have any snagging while I was wearing them. But I love the way they came out. I should have went in probably with like a clear top coat on the leopard ones, but other than that, they came out so cute. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.